Hi friends, today I'm live in front of you. My topic today is time. So, time is actually all about priority. And like Eric Thomas said, you change your 24 hours and you will change your life. So, time is of the essence. Time is such an important thing, the commodity, or it is the universe actually, the time. And when we say we are busy, actually we are lazy. And it is all about prioritizing. We have to make time. We have to prioritize if we want to achieve something, if we want to achieve a goal or accomplish a dream, we have to take hold of the time. And how do we hold on to time? We all have 24 hours. And like Benjamin Franklin said, lost time is never found again. So friends, let us not lose more time. Let us use this time. Let us use this life to accomplish something. We can avoid distractions, can't we? These, the mobiles, the social media, the Netflix, the movies, the gossips, all these we can avoid. These are the distractions which are deviating our precious time away from us. Another thing is accountability. Once we commit in front of somebody, then we generally do it. So if we want to do something, if we want to accomplish something, we should commit. Once we are committed, we find out time to accomplish that project. And so it is actually never about time. It is basically our willingness to do the work. And not having time is an excuse, and a lame excuse. So we must stop giving excuses and grab the opportunity. And another thing is, we need to step out of our comfort zone. Some important tips which I have inculcated in my life also for saving time. Number one is declutter. We all need to declutter our workspace, our living space, our lives. And second is organizing. That saves precious time. And third is stop procrastinating. Putting off today's work to tomorrow, and that is not now. If we do it now, or it is never done later. So I'm trying to capture the essence of time, and by following these tips. And let me share with you something. I'm developing a new course because I passionately believe that creating and sharing is heart and soul of growth. I found time because I found time from my other important works, because I made it my priority. Actually, I realized how much time I had spent in acquiring this knowledge of art, learning and sharpening my art skills. So, to save that time, I have utilized time to develop a valuable, scientific, time-tested 8 weeks condensed course, how to use time optimally to become a proficient artist. I am passionate and committed to share my knowledge and elevate all the aspiring artists who are connecting with me and who want to utilize their precious time and who want to grow in 2021, and they want to leave a mark in the art world. If this resonates with you and you want to save and utilize your valuable time to be more authentic, actionable, focused, and proficient in art, say yes if you want to be a proficient artist in 8 weeks. So friends, how did you like my small live session on time? Do comment. Thank you. God bless you.